Tired of flat, lifeless TV audio that leaves you feeling disconnected from your favorite shows and movies? What if I told you there's a sleek, powerful upgrade ready to transform your entire home entertainment experience? Get ready to hear everything you've been missing, because today, we're diving into the brand new LG S60T 3.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, the 2024 model that's set to redefine your living room sound. This isn't just another soundbar. It's an immersive audio system designed to pull you right into the action. Let's talk about the core of its performance. The 3.1 channel setup combined with powerful Dolby audio. Imagine crisp dialogue that cuts through explosions and music, thanks to that dedicated center channel. No more squinting at subtitles because you missed a line. With separate right, left, and center channels, plus a thumping wireless subwoofer, you'll hear every whisper, every guitar strum, and every earth-shattering bass drop with stunning clarity and impact. And with Dolby audio, you're not just hearing sound. You're experiencing a rich, cinematic soundscape that ensures you never miss a single detail, no matter where you're seated in the room. It's about feeling the rumble of a distant storm or the subtle tension in a dramatic score, elevating every moment. But LG didn't stop at incredible sound quality. They've perfected the integration with your LG TV through features like Wow Orchestra and Wow Interface. If you own an LG TV, prepare for a truly harmonious experience. Wow Orchestra works its magic by simultaneously utilizing both your TV's internal speakers and the soundbar, creating an expansive, room-filling soundstage that traditional soundbars simply can't match. It's like having a full orchestra performing right in your living room, with sound coming from all around you. And the Wow interface? It's pure genius. Say goodbye to remote control clutter. You can control both your LG TV and your LG S60T soundbar with just one remote. Adjust volume, switch sound modes, and power everything on and off seamlessly. It's convenience redefined, making your entertainment setup simpler and more intuitive than ever before. And let's not overlook the aesthetics. The LG S60T features LG's stunning new crest design. This isn't just a functional piece of tech. It's a stylish addition to your home decor. Its sleek profile and premium metal grille not only look incredibly modern and sophisticated, but the grille also serves a practical purpose, keeping dust and debris out. This soundbar is built to blend seamlessly into any living space, adding a touch of elegance without distracting from your screen. It's a beautiful balance of form and function. So, if you're ready to stop settling for mediocre TV sound and truly immerse yourself in your entertainment, the LG S60T 3.1 CH soundbar is the upgrade you've been waiting for. With its powerful 3.1 channels, immersive Dolby audio, seamless LG TV synergy through Wow Orchestra and Interface, and a design that's as stunning as its sound, it's an absolute game changer. Transform your living room into a cinematic powerhouse today. If you're ready to elevate your home audio, hit that link in the description below to check out the LG S60T. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews,